All right, so let's go ahead and talk about Apple real quick. The stock has dropped below right there around $250. Is 225 next. We want to talk about that because the market did hit our ultimate TP price from this last price prediction on December the 20th. We did the video on beginning of the month and 6.4%. Okay, so now first thing I want you all to see on this chart for Apple is this volume bar right there. Okay, a lot of volume came through on December the 20th. Now when you combine it with the price bar, the market in Apple on the day closed at the high of the bar, up 1.88%. Now when you look at the other day right here, look at this day, December the 26th, right? Many people would suspect that, hey, it's around the holiday. You know, a lot of people may not be trading on this particular day. That's why the price bar is small and the volume is small, which is reasonable to see. But is it just a coincidence that it happened at an all-time high? So logically, you would think that, hey, since nobody was there to trade on the holidays, then it's logical that this is not the top. We can still see price in Apple continue to make all-time highs, which still could be the case. But as of now, we need to create this and show it as a pocket of selling. Okay. Next area we're going to create for a pocket of buying is right here. Okay. So we got the lanes marked. We know where the buyers are. We know where the sellers are. Let's look at Apple on the 2. Is it logical for us to see price come all the way down to 225? Not yet. We got a couple of buyers pockets in between 250 and 225 right now. A couple. But we do acknowledge that this stock is showing weakness right there. Okay, that's the first bar of weakness that we've seen in a long time in Apple. We haven't seen any weakness into the market in Apple, I would say, ever since this 3-day price bar back in October, the ending of October. Ever since the ending of October, the stock has gone up. So we're getting a hint that this stock could be exhibiting some weakness. Take a look at this on the 4. The prior 4 days, fantastic. The market closed at the very high of the bar. Cool. The sad part is that the market in Apple came right back down in the next 4 days. That tells us that nobody was willing to buy the stock at all-time highs, or if anything, there were more people willing to sell than there were people willing to buy. So the price continued to go lower and lower and lower. Here it is on the 5. Here's Apple on the weekly chart. 2 weeks. 3. Here it is on the 5, and then for the month of December. Okay. So it's going to be important for us to see price in Apple initially hold this pocket of buying or this one. All right, I'm telling you right now, these will be the points that we will have to see price in Apple hold for us to get the premise to say this trend is not broken yet. Because what I've shown you on the daily time frame is that selling is coming in the market right now in Apple. So since we see the selling, we now need to see the buyers come in and say, boom, I'm about to buy this stock right here. We need the buyers to tell us that. Boom, either they're going to buy it here, or maybe they'll buy it here, or maybe they buy it there. Where do you think the bottom is going to be? I just only marked the area that we suspect price to go in Apple. So we're going to play some weakness here in this stock right now. Just a little bit. Our first target is going to be at this first pocket. It can bounce at the top of the pocket or at the bottom of the buyer's pocket. But it's in between $247.24. That's the high to $245.67 at the low. Then our next target is going to be at the second pocket of buying, ranging between $242.09 to $241.11. So we'll hold it there for the moment, just to see how weak the market is going to be. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Now, it's logical that we can see the market in Apple stop here. Why would I say that? Why would I say that it's logical for us to presume that price can stop at that pocket of buying? Because volume came through on that day right there. This is where the market volume was exceedingly high. So this is logical as price continues to try to hit this pocket, that those buyers will re-engage and begin to buy again, because that person, those people, whoever came through and bought Apple here, they were like, man, I'm not willing to let this market go below, because if I do, then I'll be in a losing position. So they're like, I'm going to buy more just to see if I can support the price and see if I could get another opportunity to see the market run higher. So that could be a bottom right there. It could be, but we'll see. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.